Hey guys, I'm Chaz, and today I'm going to be restoring some old Crocs. Very old, very dirty, but I'm going to see what I can do to make them look new. Here we go. So I just finished cleaning them. I went outside now and I'm gonna try and paint them. They're a little small for me, so I'm gonna try and stretch them out and paint them, and we're gonna see how it goes. So they're about halfway done now. I just came out to check on them. I'm not sure how they look. I think they might kind of look like an old lady shoe, like a clog, but I'm gonna wait to the finished product to really judge. Looking good so far. They're still a little sticky, but they should dry in the next hour or two. Okay, so it is super cold out here, but it's windy, so I think they'll dry pretty quickly. I'm pretty happy with the final result. I think that looks pretty good. So now we just gotta wait for them to dry and see what happens. So I just brought them inside. They're almost completely dry. Enough that you can put them on a table. They look pretty good. So here we go. I'll show you the finished product. There you have it, finished product. I think they turned out pretty well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.